Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka KC Light Choir kabade ka kanhon ruai jong ka KC Secondary School Shillong kalawan ra burom ya kajela bat kari barok kawai da ka jingjob kabalayo hadu artli kita ka Ksiar na ka Thailand International Choral Competition. Ka Thailand International Choral Competition kade kabalas dang na du kalai trik hadu ka nyaw trik ubna nailar bat ki arfusan ngot ki khna red ki balong ki nong rai jong ka KC Light Choir ki lawan poi hanong ba Shillong ha ka no phai sngi jong ka shphotre ubnai nailar 8000 apun riu ka KC School ringkat ka Nyotrep Integrated Territorial Organization ka United Nyotrep Movement bat ka Cafe Race of Shillong Motorcycle Club kila penlong ka jing pediang burom ya ki kenhon rai KC Light ha Interstate Bus Terminal Mauyong Shillong u principal jong ka KC School uba Brian Walang haba kren chikinong thok khobor ulapan pau ka jing smokeman ka bakraw haba yadei ba ka jing job jong ka kanhon bapan pau ha ka ni ka jing kop ki don hadu nyotli kiri ki bawan banishmenta bat ka KC Light Choir ka mi khman nari India ulapan pau ba ka KC Light Choir klarwai lightly ki jing rai da ka tin khasi ha ka te ka jing kop lapan long da ka International Choral Association.
We just from our organization, we just got a conversation in this aspect. We couldn't prepare anything, but no issues. Like you'll be invited to our organization by this weekend of this month. Okay.
Shublay right now. Bela dah lah Ksiar ya pina do minum step. Bishong like hadu ko pi plan ko ko tiang pe ko koi dah ni. Masuk ke besar angurnya. You blade right na klem do klem ko man jung ni namla kan dam te ngi na kalian ko seng but on behalf yang ka bring your trip ni yo men sin he men sin ni so sarong takariam tenrai ba ka culture dari ti ka dustur min ba ka KC Light ka ba sai wanra buram nakapor ko por menta ka wanra yang ka buram hagani hatu ko por ngabun kini ki para ngai thok ba kebal along kum ki kon ro namari kon jongar bisa di sekolah kila ye he tuan ra e ko burom jongka jella jongka bri nyokrat bat jongka nation ne jongka India hi barok ko we tengina kan keleng ko jongi ni kwa ban sai burom ibaret pan pendeng sas kum kata ka burom ka bangila pan no senyang lem kum ba hilawan ra ka burom ye ka jella dengan sedang syara ka ba ai ni sentiu ya i sar brain pakai momento
Louder, guys.
KC Light, hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! This is from our cultural secretary.
One small guy come hold this.
Yeah, one of you
Face that side.
Comments from other.
Yeah, this is the third Thailand International Choral Festival organized by the Thailand Choral Association, which was held from the 3rd to the 7th, which included 9 categories. And we took part in 2 categories where we got 2 gold medals for both the categories, and we also got a special award for being the most inspirational choir. The opening ceremony provided in Kasi.
How many countries?
7.
From India?
No, only us from India. We were the first choir from India to ever represent our country at this competition.
So you got three gold medals?
2 gold and 1 special jury award. Yeah.
So what is your next?
Oh, we would love to travel to other places too, but because of the financial situation, so it's not easy. Because to go to something like this, we require a lot of funds. And we hope that we will be able to get it through the things that we do. Because we really want our music to go out of the Northeast. And to hear after the opening ceremony, all the Indonesian choirs, all of them were singing the song Oi Oi when they were going back. At least now other countries are learning Khasi songs. So I'm really proud about that. And they all found the choir, like they said, the most disciplined choir, very hospitable. So the children did a very good job promoting our state. And and I'm so proud of that actually.
This is the second time, sir?
No, this is our 10th gold medal now. Yeah, 5th country. Yeah,
So you didn't get any sponsor from government?
not yet. Not yet.
So
This
will
time,
you-
not yet. I hope when they see the results then. Hopefully. Yeah, because we're representing the country, I think it's an honor for us. And I think it's an honor for everyone because I'm saying now Khasi music is being shown to the world, and now they've realized what Wino music, because we are so different from the other countries. And that's what the judges said. Our music is really pure, very gentle, and that's what they really loved about it. Whereas the other countries are very loud, and we had only 25, the other countries had 40, 50 choir members. Yeah.
Okay, congrats.
Okay, thank you.
Jangan ada sakit kelar sama dengan.
Philap and share ka experience bhi kumno ko philap habne ka insan ka to phi ya shambunta habne ka competition.
Lingkong nang syapte ngapa man ai ngoi play. Ubala ya dan dekat bani nadu pa ngidang sedang ya ni practice. Ba hidup kan ya khalamat ka pamanta. Ba experience jangan te ngala ngasham ba ni ngasham ba ni long compare ban ya kiwe ni kwa hi ban banya shwe akane ka kani ka jing raj ni but
Ano kami ki jawai khasi tirwai habne ka
nearby ka way ha ka opening ceremony but actually ha ka competition
kay kateng jawai kay kini ki jawai khasi ka tirwai kay ki ba ki shnahi ne
ka way di bashnahi but actually they bashnahi
kay ka jawai original song
ka jingwan thai
khilayo ki gold medal today kay ka jawai jumpi kum ka kuya
ngatingas ngau comment ban yo represent ya kalila jong but ya ka still hero pa crowd but
Kasi kum no ki way pat ki wi ki ki compare pat ki way pat ki kum no ka jing jumpi le se ki kuya kiso ba kalong compete so adan na majing atatian se
oh I ding kong by ni ba ki practice e kan tu ngi practice ni hi ba kalong bi ka ba kajing ya le ka ba
I was going to go, but he said,
hot ding kong ni dan hi kajing sia ban dapat EQA ang ba kat tu ni la practice ting la dan si ka po PA ban pa bangila beti
Cik, sa ka feedback ka ba video na ki George na way pat ki wi ka ba ki perform
ka feedback bang yang ki judge te ba ngilong unique but ni dei ban we should stay
23.
like how we are and like we kiri the ki best pala ka jingrai ka bangi rai ka for opening ceremony but ki ya sho jing chi sha ba ka jingrai
What about the